need the brain for? We need the brain to think. We need the brain to tell us what we are looking at, what we are hearing, what we are smelling, what we are tasting and what we are touching. We need the brain to tell us what to do. Now similarly, if we are going to build a robot that is smart and sensitive, then we need to give that robot also a brain. Hello everyone, I am Sai Prakash from Butterflyfields and this is the series on the robotic starter kit. Now in this kit we are going to build 10 robots. Out of that we have a Dracobot, that's like a vampire which runs away from light. Now how does it know to move away from light? How does it know that there is a light falling on it and then it has to move away from it, and how does it do the actual moving away part? Now all this is possible because of one component, that is the processor. The processor is the brain of the robot. This is how it looks. Now imagine you are standing under a hot sun, you feel the heat on your skin. Now your skin tells your brain that there is a heat around you, and then your brain makes the decision that you have to go and stand under a tree. Now the skin telling your brain that there is a heat, that's the input part, then you moving away under the shade of a tree, that's the output part. Similarly, our robots will have sensors which will be connected to the processor, and also the output modules which will also be connected to the processor. From the sensors, the input is taken, a decision is made, and the output bits are told what to do. Like for example, there's a pet robot that you're going to build. Now this robot senses your presence and it follows you. Now it sensing your presence is the input part. The processor takes a decision and tells the wheels of the robot to move ahead. That's the output part. All this seems interesting, right? Now this processor is designed in such a way that it can act as brain to all the 10 robots that we are going to build in this kit. Now the processor has lots of components on it. Let's see what are they.